Hey guys, how are you? So I am back vlogging. I'm sorry, my brother is so loud. And it's gonna be summer here in United States, so I am very excited because that's one of my favorite seasons. And I know that I'm going to do a lot of things this summer, so I am definitely excited. And this is the welcome video of my summer vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and keep on watching. Thank you. So the video today is going to be me packing for my first trip in the summer. I am going to Aruba for 5 days. I'm going May 23rd to May 27th, so I think it's around 4 to 5 days. And yeah, let's pack together. So when I'm packing, I definitely love to see what I am wearing day by day, night by night. I think it's easier that way to pack it like that, so you don't have to worry about what are you gonna wear the same day. So right now I'm just currently wearing like oversized, green and with shorts. And yeah, maybe that's one of my summer fit for my trip. Yeah, and let's pack together. So I'm only allowed to bring a one carry-on bag and a one personal. Well, this is like a personal bag, but I'll definitely like bring something like a tote for like an accessory. So yeah, hopefully all my outfits will fit in this carry-on bag. And yeah, so let's go on to outfit. So hey, this is probably going to be my outfit for the flight. I have my flight at 10 a.m. so it's gonna be a little bit, a little bit cold in the airport since it's just a little bit morning. So this is gonna be my outfit. So I'm gonna wear like a set with, Air Force Ones. And yeah, this is the outfit for number one. It's gonna be called airport look. So yeah, this is going to be outfit number one. That's with the airport outfit. So this is gonna be a second outfit. It's just for dinner, so I'm gonna wear like something like with white shoes. Definitely white shoes is a must whenever you go traveling, because I love white shoes. Like, you can pair it with anything. And this is like neutrals. I'm sorry for the mess in the back that I'm gonna be packing. So yeah, white shoes, linen pants, and this is from outfit number two. So this is gonna be outfit number two. This is going to be like around you walking to the beach and enjoying the sun. So this is gonna be it. I'm probably gonna change this one to like swimming trunks or something. But yeah, I'm gonna pair it with like shoes. Like, it's called Jesus sandals. So yeah, it's just like, chilling at the beach. You can open it a little bit and tuck it in. This is fit number three. So this is going to be the third outfit. It's with the green and then beige and then the Jesus sandals. So this is going fourth look. It's gonna be fourth look. So this is gonna be probably around dinner. It's gonna be like a white top, linen pants, and of course, if it's at night, a tip, definitely wear closed-toed shoes if it's gonna be at night, because dinner needs to be a little bit formal, while breakfast and lunch can be a little bit lenient with, wearing whatever you want. But dinner definitely have like closed, pointed shoes. So full fit, that, and then like white shoes. So yeah, that's the fourth fit. So this is gonna be the fourth outfit. Another tip is definitely bring a white shoe, because you can match it with anything. And if it's just a small baggage that you can bring. Definitely have a couple shoes that can match with anything. So yeah, this is gonna be my fourth look. So hey guys, this is gonna be the fifth, is it, I don't know, fifth, sixth? I think it's fifth. So it's gonna be like on top, with linen pants again, and bunches of sandals. So yeah, let's see. Down a bit. Gonna be my fifth outfit. Let's find some more outfits. So this is gonna be, I think, the fifth outfit. So it's the linen pants with the blue thing and with the sandals. I know I'm showing you like a lot of fits, but I didn't really show that, you know, I'm going to the beach, and I didn't show you guys beach outfits because my body is not really ready for summer yet. So hopefully you guys will be nice if I show you my body. Okay, so this is gonna be the sixth outfit, I think. So this is gonna be the outfit. I'm gonna hide it because the winter fat is still there, and I'm gonna remove this to match with the thing. So it's the sixth outfit. Yeah, I'm sorry. Gonna be the sixth outfit: bucket hat, swimming shorts, like an oversized polo shirt, and the famous sandals. I just realized that while editing this, my nose looks so big. I think I was having allergies that time. I have colds and a runny nose, so yeah. Excuse my hideous nose. Of course, I have to represent New Jersey and Aruba, so I'm gonna wear this hat, and this is gonna be a swimming outfit again. I don't know, I think it's seventh fit. So it's gonna be the shorts with a top again, my body, and I'm probably gonna like wear the sandals again. So yeah. So this is gonna be the outfit. So it's gonna be the white hat, oversized polo shirt, the swimming trunks, and the famous sandals. I believe this is gonna be the eighth outfit. I'm a little bit getting tired, but I'm enjoying my outfit. It looks so good. So this is gonna be another fit. I got this from my friend. I'm gonna pair it with the pro shoes. It's like a simple outfit. Eighth outfit. So I think that's gonna be the end of my video. I'm probably gonna be packing more. So if you guys want to check out my Instagram, it's gonna be Kclmd, the letter Kclmd, and you can you can see my outfits. It's gonna be in there. I'm mostly active there, but yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate every single one of you, and have a good day. So thank you for watching, and also please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please follow my Instagram because that's where I'm basically every day. You're gonna see my face every day there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your time, and thank you.